Good evening, my friends. Boy, would you take a look at this. I'm telling you. The temporary end is near. If you have not been holding a short from one of these peaks, this could be the last chance you might have to get a good short in before we take the elevator down. And in my opinion, and this is not advice. I am not telling you what to do. This is not a trade signal. But I'll tell you what I'm doing. I've been saying it for a little bit now. That we were going to wait for this pump, which we longed the bottom, by the way, at 94.95 and 9,600. Got out at 10,400, went all the way up to 10,008. Yippee-ki-yay. We also just nailed a short from 10,510. Shout out to my whale crew. 10,519, and 50 cents. And not only that, but yesterday, we even saw it coming before it happened. Yesterday, 3:11 in the morning, I think Bitcoin is going to dump. I repeat, I think Bitcoin is going to dump sometime soon. Just watching the way it's acting, not even looking at the text. Less than an hour later, we did it. Less than an hour later. That was right here. We are what, 4 for 4 in our past trades, but golly, let's not ignore what the important thing is right now, and that is the daily time frame, the metaphorical crypto feces are about to hit the fan. In my opinion, it is shaping up to exactly what I believed was going to happen. Go back to the Tone Vase interview where I said I think we're going to go up here, come down to the bottom, skirt sideways, dump when backed. This is backed. This yellow line, which is on the 27th. If I'm wrong and it's on the 23rd, forgive me for not doing the research to knowing the exact date. It's the 23rd or the 27th. If backed comes out at this yellow line, this is the wall that Bitcoin is going to mash into. Now, I don't care that Bitcoin is, the backed is settled in Bitcoin. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what it's settled in. And if you think I'm wrong, well, time will tell. And fortunately, we don't have much time left. Now, if you position yourself the correct way, this could be the most lucrative opportunity, at least one of the most lucrative opportunities in the world, and you can still protect yourself. Now, I'm not saying you're going to 50x leverage anything with no stops or anything and put everything you have high leverage. You do it responsibly. Whatever you do, if you're going to do something, do it responsibly, with discipline. But boy, oh boy, I am so excited. And just like November of 2018, words cannot describe how excited I am for the next month and a half. It's the same thing now. Oh, we're already dumping. My shorts are paying off. We put the... Oh, shit. I didn't get a signal in on this one. Yes, I did. Check this out. When you are in the whale crew, baby, boom. What time is it here? We literally, minutes before recording this video, I'm reopening this short, 10,250, ready to short even higher. 5 minutes later, what time is it right now? It is 12:10. 20 minutes later, the beginning of the end is here. It is here. It is here. And I'm going to nail Bitcoin in the cross. So help me God. Oh, Sid. Oh, my puppy. Now, for all you moon boys that are going to be upset, you've had plenty of warning. Plenty. You have had plenty. You don't even need any special indicators to know this. I could get rid of market cipher and I would still come to the same conclusion that the shit is going to hit the fan. Iceberg. Dead ahead. Dead ahead. Don't just get a life jacket, but we'll be cruising from the Titanic in a tugboat, baby. Tugboat full of gold, jewelry, and the finest first-class women in our company. Now, we like to have a good time. In all seriousness, if you're not having fun with what you are doing, then what are you having? I have fun doing this. Especially have fun knocking these trades for not only myself, but thousands of other people along my side. And no matter what anyone says, numbers don't lie. They don't lie. All of you have access to every single day. Guys, you're seeing new people, new results of these people having the time of their lives. Because they now have the power. And of all different sizes. This guy, boom, 10 trades in a row. Boom, what does he say? Another day of all greens, business size, both the largest scales my conference risk management and strategy allows for. It's not the size that matters, it's the overall consistent gain. Boom, legendary brain cake. Good job. It's about the long game. Not the short game as in time frame, people. Okay? Long-term consistency. This man, if he's not free already, I tell you what, if this guy still has a job or is unhappy with what his career is, right now in his mind he is free because he knows that I just made 10 trades. If he can he's got his risk management down. If he starts to increase his position size with some of the gains and the profit that he's made, he'll be free, completely free, mentally, physically, family will all be freed very soon. Couldn't be happier. Look at these people. My Lord, this guy. I've never seen this guy before. Never traded before. Had market cipher. Okay, good, I didn't pause it. Had market cipher for 3 weeks using higher time frames is key to not losing your mind obsessing over finer details and price fluctuations. Patience, no FOMO. Okay, now before we even read any of these results, this guy's never traded before, had 3 trades, and he's already preaching about how to trade successfully. So I'm going to bet he's probably pretty happy with these gains. Let's see here. Okay, boom, short, 10.5. Okay, boom, $180 move. Boom, $200 move. Boom, $600 move. Never traded before. My best trade yet, and only after I watched essential videos to learn fundamentals of market cipher. Crypto Life. What'd you get here? Let me take a peek here. Okay, you made $500, bro. Way to go. 105%. Crypto Life 101. Come and get you some. Good job, bro. We're so happy. We're so happy. We are not cocky. We are not mean. We are great people. And I will always, always celebrate our wins. And by our, I mean myself and my people. I was short already because market cipher, but would probably have closed it in a loss if not for the whale crew call earlier. Thanks. Thank you, Zaturbs. Crypto Knight, CF, thank you. Thank you, Crypto Knight. Neuroboy, week's average earned 6 hours. A week's wage earned in 6 hours. Dorza, great call, CF. Oh, baby, baby. CF called it. I'm telling you, folks. It's all here. Looks like we got some new testimonials. What do we got here? Damn, baby. Damn. I'm telling you. Show me. I don't know of any other group that has results like this. Now, I will make this clear that you still need discipline when you have a complete, beautiful tool like Market Cipher. All you need is just a little bit of discipline. Write it down. Write down the steps on a sticky note or two. Put them on your computer. Say, is this responsible? Is the trade speaking to me? And I look at all the time frames. Look at the money flow. It's coming up green. What do we know? It's coming back down the red. It came back in the red. We knew she was going to bounce up. It bounced up. And now it's time to drop. So my positions are ready. And they are protected. They are responsibly ready. But folks, just like last year, November, we even made this, we made this drawing before November 17th, but I'm just referencing this video. Just like last year, when we nailed that big dump, we're going to nail this dump too. And unfortunately, we cannot save everyone. Like a tug lifeboat in the Titanic, like a lifeboat in the Titanic, we cannot save everyone. But at least we can save some. We can save ourselves and the tight community that we have. And I know you guys are busy. I know that, I have a couple bad people that come up with lies and go take the extra steps to message YouTubers that I do interviews with to try to get them to not talk with me anymore. They make things up, or they exemplify things, they amplify things. And I know the majority of you that support me have stuff to do, and I don't expect you guys to take a full day in defending me in YouTube comments, but these weebs, the bad, the evil, the scum, they will. So do not worry when it comes down to it, because I'm not worried. Life is so good. Life is so good. And it's so much better when you figure something out that grants you the freedom where you realize everything everyone else is doing is entrapment. They are closed and shelled. Maybe you feel like you're closed and shelled and you want to be free. Maybe you're almost there. If you're here, you're a step closer than anybody else. That's for sure. Now, I will say this. Again, if back comes out, let's say this triangle plays out, and there is a magical pump. Let's draw this and make it a little more pretty. Let's say the triangle plays out. and Bitcoin does not dump here, but it ends up pumping here to new all-time highs, I'll be happy with that too. I will fall on my sword and say I was wrong. I thought the price was going to dump. I was wrong. But I will be able to at least say that I have a minimal loss because I was protected. But folks, this is too lined up. Our momentum waves, too lined up. The transaction flow, too lined up. The heavily modified VWAP just starting to cross down to the downside. Ooh, folks. The patterns itself, the blood diamond. Look, we had a blood diamond on the 4 hour. I mean, just perusing around now, having a good time. Man. We got yellow X's, blood diamonds coming up. So, let me get off this video. Do what you please. And whoever you are, however you feel, I wish you the best of luck. To my community, my whales in my trade group, my bull sharks in my stock group, my betting guys, and everyone else just kind of around the community. Thank you. It's a pleasure to serve you. And let's make a lot of Bitcoin off this dump that's coming up. Peace.